guys! Today I'm going to show you some of my philodendron collections and I'm going to share with you what are my house plant care tips. But before we start, if you are new here in my channel, I will appreciate you guys if you subscribe, like, and share my videos, and please don't forget to click the bell button para ma-notify kayo if I have new videos to upload. And please follow us in our Facebook page and Instagram. For more details, just check the description box below. Guys, I would like to say thank you to Mom Liwayway and to her nephew, Sir Buen Mateo. Thank you so much for making my page logo. Very nice. And making sketch to my pictures. So sa nagtatanong po, you can comment down below or I can include to my description sila ma-contact. Okay? Philodendron, one of my favorite indoor plants to keep because of their different varieties and different colors of their leaves, and ang hindi ko lang paborito sa kanila guys is yung price nila. Kasi alam na this. Well, anyway, we have two varieties, the climbing and the non-climbing varieties. So when we say climbing varieties, this one yung mga variety na ginagawang hanging plant or else ilalagyan ng plant pole like this para gapangan ng vines. So the next one is the non-climbing variety. This is usually yung mga varieties na malalaking dahon like this, saka malalaking stem. Philodendron love lights but not direct to sunlight. You can place it near windows which they can receive lights. But inside here in our house, my part sa house namin na we have our ceiling is transparent, which is this area the plants can receive enough lights. So my grandpa made and designed it para daw makasave ng electric bills. Kasi pag umaga, you don't need lights kasi nagpo-produce na siya ng natural lights. And advantage to us or sa akin kasi pwede kong itapat yung mga indoor plants ko sa area na yon. Okay? So now I will share to you some of my collections. And here, my first philodendron is ang bigat. My Pink Princess. This is my favorite guys kasi nga color pink siya. Tapos yung color niya, nagko-combine yung reddish color, the dark green, and the pink one. So you can see this one. And I will recommend this to you guys because this plant is easy to propagate and it easy to care. And I will show you some here. Guys, na lumabas is pink color. If you check your Pink Princess na hindi na nagsa-stand out ang pink color ng leaves nila, the solution is top cut para the next spot leaves will come out like this. Para may mga chances sila guys na magpipink yung color ng mga leaves nila. Yan oh. Trust me on this guys, I tried it how many times. If you ask me how I do it, just check my other video guys. The title is Philodendron Pink Princess and How to Propagate and Care Guide. And also guys, you can check there how I make my DIY plant pole like this. This one guys. And it's very simple lang guys and it's easy to make. So next is my Philodendron Red Heart. You see? This one is my Philodendron Red Heart. Is one of my wish list for so long. Now I have one. It's super duper cute. If this will be matured guys, it will turn to red colors. And as you can check the leaves, that one oh, it has heart shape and I really love this. Next is my Philodendron Brazil. Hope I pronounce it correct. This one guys, this one is new member. And I thought this one before is a family of pothos because of the shape and the size of the leaves. So as you can check, the color is very unique of the combination of lime green, hint of deep green, and has very unique pattern. It can tolerate bright lights but not direct to sunlight. It can be hanging plant or you can put some plant pole to support the plants. But it depends on you guys. They are still absolutely beautiful. I have also here another philodendron, and this one is Philodendron Moonlight. This one is cute. I love also the neon color. You see? And this one is not vine. You don't need a pole or stick to support the plant. And how I take good care of this? Well, this one is not maarte. I just let this one outside the house rain or shine. But make it sure guys that your soil mix is well drained. And also nakanit yung pinaglalagyan ninyo sa kanila para yung rain is not direct na nahulog sa kanila. And also here I have another philodendron here. And this one is Philodendron Black Knight or Black Majesty. I'm really confused with this guys. Please comment down below if this Black Knight or Black Majesty. This one is vine variety. I got this 3 leaves before and now you can check another one. The color is bit black, dark, burgundy, reddish or dark green. As you can see, almost of my pots are color white. My purpose is para mag-stand out yung color and beauty ng mga collections natin. That's why all my plants ay white, yung pot na ginagamit ko sa kanila. Ito pala guys is nakalagay ito sa loob ng bahay kasi the last time na nilagay ko siya dito sa labas, tapos nilagay ko siya near in our windows, yung mga leaves niya is pag ganun siya yung mga leaves niya is sumusunod sa araw, kaya halos lahat ng mga leaves nila is ang direction nila is papunta doon sa window. Parang sinusundan nila yung lights. While doon sa loob ng bahay is transparent yung ceiling, yung tubo is paitaas, which is good and also they receive enough lights. This one. I have also here Philodendron White Wizard. As you can see guys, the white color is not yet come out. But just only small spot or marking na this one is White Wizard. You see? I will try this to top cut para yung white color will come out soon. I got this one has 4 leaves, but look at now, meron na siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 leaves. So I'm so proud, mama here. Very proud. I have here another one, Philodendron Silver Sword. Oh, I got this one. See? I got 1 leaves. Yung mga maraming leaves, little bit pricey. Kaya, I choose 1 leaves only. But if makakuha ko sa sunod ng good deal, na bigger one, well, so, take a closer look ng baby leaves niya, guys. The color is light silver green. Hindi mo talaga ma-appreciate ang form ng leaves niya kasi isa lang, saka isang dahon lang, saka medyo maliit pa. But I will show you the matured plant nito guys. You see, napakaganda talaga ng form ng leaves. Pag mag-matured siya, parang nag-curve yung leaves and it's getting thicker. This type of philodendron is vine. The propagation of this plant is through stem cutting. Okay? The next one is, I have also Philodendron Black Cardinal. The color is black or dark reddish and I cut it already to propagate din. Yung top cut nun is nasa ibang plant mama na. And yung nakat ko is now showing some new leaves. I have also here Philodendron Silom. And this one is common here in our country. This variety can thrive indoor and outdoor. This type usually yung nakikita ninyo sa mall or other establishment. You can see this one sa corners or sa loob ng building. And also this plant is ginagawa itong indoor plant. So, maganda din ito na ilagay sa wall or sa corner ng house niyo. I love the shape of these leaves. Definitely a statement plant. Napakaganda niya, guys. Sometimes I forgot to water them. Basically, this plant is easy to care and low maintenance. In terms of fertilizer naman, guys, I use Osmocot. It's a slow release controlled fertilizer. Sinasabi kong slow release, guys, sa nagtatanong dahil you need to water them before it will activate and gradual siyang nagre-release ng nutrients. At saka, ang soil naman is I use coco husk or coco pit, rice hull, garden soil, and pumice, but more on coco husk or coco pit. When it comes to temperature naman, guys, philodendron, they love solid, humid environment. That's what they usually need because that's their natural habitat. If you check your philodendron is lack of humidity, you can buy humidifier, or if you don't have, you can make a DIY humidifier. So, you place the pots with stone and turn it with water to maintain humidity, or mist them every 2 days. It's really help them thrive. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for being here. Hope this video will help to those who want to take good care philodendron or want to buy one for your collections. Once again, hope you can give me a like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye!